And that's a mulligan. Easily. It's not really that good, but hey. What is he playing? He's playing the Foundry. The first time you res a piece of ice each turn, you may search R&D for another copy of that ice, reveal it, and add it to HQ. Shuffle R&D. His Foundry deck is dirty, by the way. Excuse me. It's so dirty. That Janus play. See where he goes with this. Hopefully he doesn't block R&D. Let me get in there, bro. Let me get in there, bro. Run the remote. It's probably gonna be some next ice or something. No. Oh, I hate this card. We pay for to trash that. F7 R&D. See what it is. Next gold. That can stay. Get rid of it. Check R&D again. Wotan. There we go. There we go. So again, I'm playing noise. Whenever he installs a virus, the corp has to trash the top card of their R&D. So that's why I checked R&D, saw it was a card I didn't like, played a virus to get rid of it, and then ran it again and got lucky. So we'll check here again. It's probably Adonis, which is why he doesn't care. It's Adonis. Get rid of it. Should have waited, but whatever. The first piece of our puzzle, Aesop's pawn shop, to get rid of that cash and make another $3. And he just beefs up his server a little bit more. So get rid of that cash. Draw. Draw. Oh my god, terrible. Install the Rara. And install the Imp. I installed Imp. I'm not really going to get to use it right now. But because Sahasrara lets you use 2 credits to install a program, it's a free install even though I'm losing money on that turn by $1. Sorry, by $2. But the thing is that I can pawn it, get $3, start my turn, 1, 2, get money, and draw another card. So it does suck that I'm wasting Imp that way, but I am in the lead, so it's not too bad. And I am up to $9 now. I just need to get my draw going, man. This is brutal. So draw, install. Don't need you. That was terrible. Come on. Oops. So bad. He took money, hedge fund, and took money. Draw. There we go. Even though I'm poor as hell. So poor. The poorest noise ever. I'm gonna have to give him. I'm gonna have to let him take his Adonis. Like there's nothing I can really do right now to stop that. But at least I get to draw 2 free cards and draw 2 things that I already have. F6, make him res something. Just hope it's not something that's gonna hurt me. No, he lets it slide. Janus is in his hand. Oh god. Take money. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good. See what he does here? Just takes money. It'd be nice if I could find like some of my cards here. Jeez. So Gravedigger gets installed for free, basically. Mills 2 cards because it comes in with a counter. And just take another buck. Drop the Mimic. I don't know if I'm going to need it right now. I don't know why I just got this counter back, by the way. Oh yeah, card just got trashed. So that sucks for him because when Adonis goes, it counts as a trash. Because it says trash this card when there's no more counters left on it. So that's a free Gravedigger for me. Is my turn gonna start or what? Oh, there we go. I'm not getting any luck here. No luck right now. Run archives, see what he does. I just want something that I can pawn. See if he reses. Do 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 do. I don't know if he's thinking. Oh, there it is. Oh god. Oh god. So he's gonna drop another Merlin. There's the combo. There is the combo. Luckily I've had worse in my hands, so I've had worse, bro. So whenever the runner passes a res piece of ice protecting the server, you may reveal and trash another copy of that ice from HQ to force the runner to encounter that piece of ice just passed again. So he's going to force me to encounter Merlin 3 times for 6 damage. But I got the cards. So let's tank this. Let's go. I've had worse triggers. Nice. Parasite Pawn Shop. And the other cast Parasite. Damn it. It would hit all my parasites, man. That's balls. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But they're trashed already. So he's saying I have to encounter them again. I thought they were already trashed. How many does he have? What? Trash another copy of the ice from HQ. You may reveal and trash another copy of that ice. What? Oh yeah, because he reveals 2. Only 1 gets trashed. And then he gets to do it again. Damn it, that's... wow. 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 I will never make that mistake again. Jeez. So basically, I ran archives, he reses Merlin. Merlin does 2 net damage. Merlin also allows you to reveal up to 2 Grail Ice from your hand. So he revealed the 1 Merlin, technically, for Merlin's effect. So that's the 4 net damage there. Uses the twins, which tells him to reveal another copy of that same ice to encounter this Merlin again on the field. So I get hit by 2 for that, and he trashes the one from his hand. The one that he revealed using Merlin's effect goes back to his hand, and then he uses the twins again to reveal another copy of Merlin to make me encounter this copy of Merlin, and then it's just a whole bunch of Merlin stabbing. I know it's super confusing, but it's totally legit. See, he did this to me last time with Janice, though. With Merlin, it's like 10 times worse. That is balls. And like I said, this deck is deadly. I said that before we even started.